Inside this enormous box from Western Power Sports is one shiny set of heated grips from KOSO USA, KOSO America. It's one or the other. We're going to open this up, show you the little tiny package that's inside, and get them installed on our 2024 ZX10R. Beautiful bike. It's the KRT edition. We'll throw that over there. Those grips, they are the bomb. You will love these. They're amazing. The only bad thing about them, if there is a bad thing, is that they're a little bit larger than the factory grips. So you kind of have to adapt to them. However, they have a very, very, very cool on-off switch that's just at the end of the grip. And there's only one on one grip. And it is not having this massive heat controller that you have to install on a separate tab and turn it into a whole dashboard nightmare. It's really clean, really simple. Check the installation. I think you'll be pretty excited by it.
At this point, you're going to be watching as we remove the fairing to be able to gain access to a pathway for the wiring that's required for these grips. We're going to plug into the accessory plug at the back underneath the seat. And take a look here. You'll see me soldering the connection wires from the grips to the plug that we have to be able to make this connection here. It's kind of important because you want this to be a fused link. You don't want to just wire onto anything because they will be drawing a pretty good amount of power, and you don't want to overload your wiring on accident and catch your bike on fire. That'd be bad. So watch along, and we hear key the cheesy music. Here it comes, and take a look and see what we come up with. Now that we've got the bike assembled, we are at the grips. We're going to test the temperature output using a heat gun. It's showing 99 degrees, which is nice and toasty warm. 80, I think, is supposed to be the max. I'm not really sure why we're getting 99. But if you take a look, you'll see me going through the cycles. These are the different options for temperatures, as illustrated by the different color of the little light that's on the switch there that I was talking about earlier. They're really beautiful grips. I think you're going to enjoy them. definitely worth the effort and worth.
And that brings us to the end of another great tip. Thanks for coming. Please like and subscribe and tell your friends about us so that more people can see our show and we can get into do more shows.